What's going on, everyone? Brian here with Revenue Pro Tips. Hey, today's video we're going to be talking affiliate networks. We're going to be giving you 6 affiliate networks and sharing with you why one, none, some, or even all might be right for you. Stick around. And we're back. So here we are today, guys, and I want to welcome you guys. Thank you for checking out the channel today. And for those of you who are checking and viewing this channel for the first time, I want to say thank you. We welcome you. We value your time and hope to even deliver more value to you. Today we're talking 6 affiliate networks. Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar with what an affiliate network is, I'll quickly explain it. An affiliate network is basically like a third party, right? So you have product creators, product and service creators, people who go out and create products and services, and they're looking to market and obviously get people to buy, right? And then you have people like myself, maybe like you, who are looking to promote and advertise these products, and in return make a little bit of money, right? You get a commission, a percentage of a sale, right? So basically an affiliate network will go out and basically get in contact with these creators and bring the creator and the marketers together, right? And to help them work together. And they'll go out and get hundreds, if not thousands, of different products and services. So today we're going to be giving you just a few networks that we really like this year in 2019. And some of them have certain requirements. So we're going to share a little bit of the differences, but we're going to quickly go through this and show you what we got. All right, guys. So now we are taking a look at Clickbank.com. Clickbank is our first, our first network that we're going to take a look at today. Now, if you are familiar with affiliate marketing or network, you'll know that Clickbank is absolutely one of the biggest networks that is out there that exists today, especially when we're talking digital products, which is more so along the lines of what Clickbank is. So if you're somebody looking for digital products, downloadable products and services to download, Clickbank is a great marketplace, probably the biggest on the internet when it comes to that. You'll see here, just to show you a few of the products on their home page, you have like a health and wellness, maybe some kind of green protein shake, it looks like, numerology reading, German Shepherd handbooks, dancing lessons. They have all kinds of stuff on here, mostly like trainings and stuff like that, kind of like how-tos and stuff to show you dieting programs, things like that, right? But I can go to the affiliate marketplace here, and we can take a look at some of their other categories when you go here. And in terms of affiliate offers that you can promote, right? So they have their categories here. You can see they have arts, entertainment, as seen on TV, betting system, business investing, computers, internet education, e-business marketing, cooking, games, green products, health and fitness, home and garden, languages, politics and current events, parenting, reference, self-help, software services, spirituality and others, and sports and travel. And then within each one of these, you can break it down into subcategories, right? Dental health, nutrition, sleep, women's health, men's health, spiritual health, all kind of things. There are so many offers, thousands and thousands of offers on the Clickbank platform. And the great thing I love about Clickbank is that the entry-level barrier to get in and join their network and start promoting products it's just so simple, right? We just recently made a video about a tutorial about Clickbank and how to get started and start making money right away. I'll link that in the description below. So definitely check that out. But I love it because within literally like 5 minutes, you can be promoting products on Clickbank. It's insane. And another aspect of that is that they are the commission rates, right? 50 to 75%. Yeah, I've seen up to 90%. Some people, say there's even products on their services that they promoted 100% commissions, right? So that's the great thing about digital products, is that because the low overhead, there's no physical inventory, there's no warehousing or anything that comes along with like a traditional retail business or even an online business with physical products. The creators of these products, right, they can offer much larger commissions for you and I as affiliates, okay? So definitely check out Clickbank. It's really awesome. They even allow you to do up to a weekly payout via PayPal. So they actually get you PayPal cash or cash via PayPal on up to a weekly basis. The only downside maybe to Clickbank is that Clickbank is not known for having like really well-known products, right? They're going to be stuff that people are generally unfamiliar with, but that's okay, right? Because if it makes sense, it just makes sense. If it's a product, or service that's going to solve a problem for your customer, for your target audience, you just have to put it in front of them in a way that makes sense, and they're going to buy it. All right. So even though they're not that well known, you can still make great amounts of money with it. Again, Clickbank is one of the largest, most reputable affiliate networks that exist today. The next is going to be JVZoo. JVZoo is another network that is very similar to Clickbank. They are mostly, again, digital software products, stuff that people can download instantaneously. And you'll see here, like, for example, Video Maker FX, video creation software. So somebody's going to go purchase the software, download it right away, get to making videos, I assume. You have here a little info about the seller. So they're going to tell you this person is a premium seller. This product has been featured as a product of the day. This is a top 5%. I think this is top 5% ranked seller. And this product has a funnel, right? So this Peter, he has a funnel. This is maybe the top product in that funnel, and then once somebody purchases, you're actually going to try to upsell them into other products and services. The great thing about that is that some of these products, through their funnels, you also see it here, this person has a whole bunch in their funnel, but they have some products or services which are a reoccurring, basically, payment, a system, right? So along the line, they sell somebody some kind of membership in which they pay on a monthly basis, some kind of subscription or something like that. And if you could promote that, then you can make basically a reoccurring commission month after month after month, right? And that's really how you want. That's really where you want to be, guys. You want to be making money, passive residual income that is going to allow you really the freedom that you're looking for in terms of your finances. Money while you sleep, right? Once you do that, you set something like that up. You only have to do it one time. People just purchase over and over and over again. You're making money, 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 all right? Without really doing much more work, all right? So, again, they give you a little information about the units sold. This one, over 36,000, the conversion rates, the average price per sale, which you'll be making, so $50. You're going to make a 50% commission, and the refund rate for this particular product is extremely low, right? Only a 5% refund rate, so that's really, really good. Again, one thing about JVZoo is that unlike Amazon, you can pretty much promote most of their products without any kind of approval. You can just get in and start promoting right away. But you'll see here where it says request approval. So once you actually become a member or part of JVZoo and their network, you're going to, especially when you start out, right? So I'm not logged into necessarily my login. I just went right away to some of their page showing some of their products. But you're going to generally have to request approval from the creators of these products to promote their products, right? Because they're going to want to make sure that you're doing well with their products, with their name, with their brand, their companies. Okay, so they just want to make sure you're not out there doing something crazy, bringing bad attention to their name, their brand, their products. So they're going to ask you stuff like, hey, more about you or your company, your website, if you have a website, your traffic source, what do you plan on doing, and how do you plan on promoting their products and stuff like that. All right, so generally we're trying to promote and make money, so we're going to do well with it. So just let them know that, and it should be all good. The next one we're going to get into now is a company, at least that I know you guys are familiar with, Amazon Associates. This is Amazon's affiliate network, perhaps the largest that exists today, especially when it comes to physical products, right? And I don't have to really say much about Amazon, so I'm not going to elaborate on Amazon as a company. We're familiar with it, but this is a phenomenal opportunity for affiliates. Amazon Associate, Amazon has millions probably of products that you could promote on their platform, right? Most is going to be now in the physical product realm. And the great thing about Amazon is that they already have the traffic source that you need, guys. There's millions of people on the platform every day. You just have to get them to Amazon, right? You have to be the one to take them with your links to the Amazon platform. Once they get there, you're going to earn a commission. And you can do that on any product on the platform. That's one thing about Amazon I love, is that, if they click on your link, they go to a product, but then they start looking, they scroll down, and then they see related products, and they click on something else that you're not necessarily promoting. Even though you're not promoting it, if they got to Amazon through your link, They could buy something that you have nothing to do with, you still make a commission, as long as it's within 24 hours of them clicking on your link initially. The drawback to Amazon, guys, and I'll show you here, is the commission rates. Like I said before, with digital products, the commission rates are generally much higher, 50, 75% you've seen on Clickbank, stuff like that. But let's see here. What's going on? Let's go. Get this to load to show you guys the commission rate. So with Amazon, you're going to make anywhere from 0%, which we absolutely don't want, to up to 10%. It's not a lot at all, and I get it. But here's what you got to remember, that Amazon has so much traffic on their platform every day that you can make up in volume what they lack in numbers in terms of their commission rates, okay? So if you have a product that people are looking for and people are constantly going to Amazon to purchase, you're going to make the big money. So don't worry necessarily so much about the rates because there's still great opportunity there. It just depends on where you fall in to these different categories. You see there's different categories, and there's a corresponding rate in which you'll make for promoting products depending on what category they fall into. So that is Amazon Associates. Obviously a great way. Amazon doesn't really have a big entry-level barrier. They might ask you a couple questions here and there, but you can generally get started within minutes as well on their platform and start promoting products. Next is ShareASale. ShareASale is where we start getting into, we're in physical products for the most part, and where we start getting to name brands that you recognize, okay? So ShareASale is a great platform, very reputable, very well known, been around for a while, and I'll just show you real quickly some of their merchants. We'll go into fashion, just one category. And you can see here, we scroll down a little bit, some of their featured merchants: Jane, familiar; Trunk Club, I've heard of and familiar with; T Public, familiar with, right? So you're going to see a few that you are familiar with, actually a lot, just depends on the category. Right now we're in fashion, but what I want to show you is that they also have some great tools for their affiliates, right? The product links, banners, and text links that you can send out to your email list, things like that. Coupons. You'll see 3,900 plus affiliate programs. There's no shortage of opportunities and products and services you can promote here. There's just so many of them. They pay out on the 20th each and every month, right? So you know you can get direct deposit your money, your cash, right into your bank account, which is really awesome. Different programs have different times in which they pay, some monthly like this one, some like Clickbank once a week if you want. And then I know with like JVZoo, you can even get paid out immediately if the transaction is done via PayPal, okay? So you can receive your money that way. So check out ShareASale. Again, good physical products, name brand companies there. The next one is Impact. Impact is one of the largest and most recognized affiliate networks, been around for a long time. And again, you start seeing right away the kind of companies and products they have, right? Familiar, 1-800-Flowers, Adidas, right? Advanced Auto Parts, right? We can go to the list. They're in order of name, right? We're in the A's right now. Alamo, Allen and Edmonds, Alaska, Allstate, if you want to promote a insurance service. Aramark, Avis, Avon. There are so many of them. Big Five Sporting Goods. What else we got here? Blinds.com, familiar, Bloom, bodybuilding.com. We can go on and on and on. You get the point. You want name brand. You want great products and services that you recognize, not only you, but your audience that you may be targeting recognize. Impact is a great platform. Definitely check out Impact. And next, the last one I'm going to give you guys today is CJ Affiliate, also known as Commission Junction, okay? One of the longest lasting networks that are out there and been around for a while because they're good. They have phenomenal tools, phenomenal resources for its affiliates and its merchants. A great platform to provide knowledge in terms of advancing as an affiliate, right? And you can see here why affiliate marketing is so strong. On their platform, they let you know affiliate marketing, the only channel that reaches and influences consumers worldwide, every part of the purchase journey, both on and offline. It's incredible what you can do with affiliate marketing, guys. But what I want to show you is Also, some of their brands, right? They're dealing with some of the best out there. This is just a few: Barnes & Noble, Lowe's, 24 Hour Fitness, GoPro. We're talking physical products, services that people are familiar with, people are looking for, people are shopping for on a continuous basis, okay? Again, your commission rates are going to be a little lower. Do you want to do, digital products? Does that serve the audience you're targeting better? Or are you going after physical products, right? So again, the digital products, you have a large audience looking for them. But with a lot of physical products, you're going to have more people naturally already looking for them, or actually familiar with those brands. So check these out. Again, just wanted to bring you the 6 top affiliate networks of 2019 that we think you can absolutely crush it with. If you have enjoyed this video, if you have gotten value from it, leave us a like. Click that like button down below. Also, leave us a comment. Let us know what you're doing with your affiliate marketing. If you're somebody who's been doing this for a while, what's working for you? Maybe a network you're familiar with that people should hear of and know of. Be aware. Drop that in the comments below. Also, if you have not already, hit that red subscribe button below and click the bell notification next to it so you don't miss when we drop new content on the channel. And with that said, until next time, guys, this is Brian, Revenue Pro Tips, and we will see you next week.